In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw affiliate earnings on Whop. If you're an affiliate with Whop, then knowing how to access your hard-earned commissions is essential. Today, we'll walk through these simple steps to ensure you can effortlessly receive your payments. So, let's dive in. First, you need to navigate to the Whop website. Open up your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Whop, which is whop.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to log in using your account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to access the affiliate dashboard. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the home feed. Here, your next step is to locate the section labeled All Balances. This is usually prominently displayed on the home page, allowing you to view all your financial activities and earnings at a glance. Clicking on All Balances will take you to an overview of your earnings, where you can see all the funds you've accumulated through your affiliate activities. Now that you're in the All Balances section, look for the Withdraw button. This option allows you to transfer your earnings from your Whop account to your bank account or preferred payment method. Clicking Withdraw will initiate the process, and you'll be prompted to choose the currency in which you'd like to receive your funds. For most users, the default currency will be US dollars. However, it's important to ensure this is selected if you're operating in the United States or deal primarily in US dollars. Simply click on USD to confirm the currency type for your withdrawal. If you're operating in a different currency, you'll need to select the appropriate option that matches your needs. By following these steps, you can successfully withdraw your affiliate earnings from Whop. It's a straightforward process, but remember, maintaining accurate information on your account, such as your banking details, is crucial to ensuring a smooth transaction. Always double-check your details before confirming any withdrawals to prevent any issues. It's also worth noting that withdrawal times can vary depending on your bank or payment provider, so allow a few business days for the money to reflect in your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, Whop's customer support is available to help resolve any concerns you might have. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to access your affiliate earnings on Whop. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now ready to manage your affiliate payments with confidence. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.